Jed Patrick Escalante Mabilog, born September 20th, 1965, is a Filipino politician serving as an Undersecretary of the Department of the Interior and Local Government DILG. Since May 2026, he served as the mayor of Iloilo City from 2010 to 2017. Mabilog also previously served as vice mayor from 2007 to 2010 and as a member of the city council from 2004 to 2007. In August 2017, Mabilog left the office of mayor and went into self-imposed exile due to threats to his life arising from accusations of being a drug protector during the Duterte administration. In September 2024, he returned to the Philippines and worked to clear his name. He was granted executive clemency by President Bongbong Marcos in January 2025. Mabilog was born on September 20th, 1965, and is the fifth of 10 children of Jose Chavez Mabilog, a banker, and Melchorita Conlu Locks in Escalante, a former barangay captain of Barangay Tapak in Molo, Iloilo City. He attended Assumption Iloilo for elementary school and the University of the Philippines High School Iloilo for high school. In 1986, he graduated from West Visayas State University with a Bachelor of Science degree, majoring in biological sciences. He subsequently enrolled in the same university to study medicine, but left after 3 years. He later attended Ateneo de Manila University, where he earned a Master of Public Administration degree, and pursued a Master in Urban and Regional Planning at the University of the Philippines Visayas, as well as a Doctor of Management degree at the University of the Visayas. Returned to the Philippines. On September 10, 2024, Mabilog returned to the Philippines and surrendered himself to the National Bureau of Investigation to face graft charges. He was released on September 11th after posting bail. Mabilog appeared in an inquiry by the House of Representatives Quad Committee that he exiled himself due to threats to his life during the Duterte administration and that there was a plan to implicate him. 2016 presidential candidate and former Interior and Local Government Secretary Mar Roxas and Mabilog's cousin, former Senator Franklin Drylan, as drug lords. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency PD Director General Mauro Virgilio Lazo also confirmed that Mabilog was never included in the PDEAS narcotics drug list under the Duterte administration, despite his name appearing on the list produced by Duterte, alongside other political figures allegedly involved in illegal drugs. On September 20th, 2024, Mabilog returned to Iloilo City after 7 years of hiding. In January 2025, he was granted executive clemency by President Bongbong Marcos. On May 1st, 2025, Mabilog was appointed special advisor to House Speaker Martin Romualdez. On May 13, 2026, Mabilog was appointed by President Bongbong Marcos as Undersecretary for Public Safety at the Department of the Interior and Local Government. Personal life, Mabilog is married to Marivic Gringo Mabilog, who is the Vice President for Finance and Controller of a geodetic engineering firm in Alberta, Canada. They have 2 children and maintain their residence in Molo. Mabilog is also a second cousin of former Senator Franklin Dryland. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.